What's up mga friend? Welcome to DIY Food. For this episode, we're making ricotta cheese. So we'll be using this ricotta cheese sa lasagna episode natin. Ricotta is a type of cheese na mabibili sa supermarket for probably around 200 to 300. Pero in this recipe, gagawin natin siya. And ang gagastusin nyo sa ingredients siguro less than 150 pesos lang. So simulan natin sa medium pot. So I'm just putting this to medium heat. And then, ilalagay ko na yung first ingredient natin, which is 800 milliliters to 1 liter of fresh milk. Next ingredient, kailangan lang natin ng about 1 cup ng full cream milk. Using whisk, i-mix lang natin siya together. And then, make sure na well combined yung milk tsaka yung cream natin. So, after that, i-measure ko yung temperature niya. So, we're actually aiming for at least 190 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So, yun yung point na papatay na natin yung apoy. So, wait lang tayo ng konti. And makikita nyo yan once na about 200 degrees Fahrenheit na siya. So, magbabubble siya ng konti. So, whisk nyo lang yung together. Make sure na incorporated. And yan, nakikita nyo nagbabubble na siya. I-measure ko. So, it's about 201 degrees Fahrenheit. So, papatayin ko na. Once na mapatay nyo, i-rest lang natin siya for about 30 minutes. But before yan, ilalagay natin yung acid natin. I'm using a juice of 1 lemon. So what it will do is i-induce niya yung curdling dun sa milk natin. Yun yung para magbubuo-buo yung particles ng milk, magiging cheese na siya, and hihiwalay siya sa liquid, which is yung liquid is called whey. This is also the time to season your cheese. So, I'm adding, I think, a teaspoon of salt. So, after waiting for about 15 minutes to 30 minutes, ayan na siya. So, I'm using strainer and fresh handkerchief. You can use cheesecloth. Cheesecloth talaga dapat. But since I'm in my mother's house, I don't have my cheesecloth with me. So, yan. First drain niya, makikita nyo kagad kung gaano karami yung whey na na-separate. So, ayan siya. Yan yung yellowish na liquid na lalabas. And matitira na lang dyan is yung curdles or curds ng cheese nyo. Yan. Yan yung whey na tinatawag natin. So, we'll put this aside or tatapon na natin. For this one naman, I just let it drain for a little bit pa because there's still some moisture in there. So, what we want is a consistency of not dry but at least some moisture, but definitely not this one. So I'll just get my bowls. By the way, I've rested it already na for another 30 minutes. So this is the consistency that we're looking for. Yan. Sobrang tight na niya. It's still moist, pero ang para ma-achieve ko yung gusto ko, yan, isi-squeeze in ko siya. Yan yung purpose ng cheesecloth or ng handkerchief or ng napkin, whatever you're using. So, once na makita nyo na parang konting droplets na lang yung liquid within, okay na yan. Ita-transfer lang natin siya into our bowl. So, this would really go perfectly dun sa lasagna natin. You can also use this for recipes like ravioli, or you can just put it in a toasted bread, lagyan nyo ng konting olive oil and salt and pepper. Masarap yan, promise. Pwede siyang breakfast or pwede siyang appetizer. So that's your homemade ricotta cheese. Abangan nyo yung next episode natin, which is yung lasagna. Ipapakita ko paano gamitin to. Then again, this is DIY Food. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.